Friends, welcome to our e-classes. We are seeing the lesson sources of history. In the previous video, we have started the oral sources. We have seen the oral sources like the folk songs, povadas, folk tales, narrations, interviews, fair jalsas, and the art groups. Rhythmic prose like the OV and the inspirational songs. The oral sources are the compositions which is passes from the old generation to new generation by the way of information or the rote learning. Also we can say that the oral literature was also developed in the latter period. Now we are seeing the inspirational song that during the period of freedom movement various inspirational songs were composed. Why the various inspirational songs and the patriotic songs were composed? Because during the period of the pre-independence type, the revolutionaries, the fighters, and also the people suffer from the various depressions. So they need to be always encourageful, they need to be always hopeful, they need to be always unite. So the various radio stations were established, and through these radio stations the various patriotic speeches, various patriotic songs and inspirational songs were published to encourage the fighters and encourage the people also. So these ancient songs now become the source of history. At the present, some of these songs are available in the written form. We know the various patriotic songs like the ए मेरे वतन के लोगों. Again, so many songs are there which are now we get the available in the written form, but some are songs which are unpublished, they are not available in the written form, but they kept inspirative, they kept motivating the freedom fighter in that period and now period as the memory also. So through these inspirational songs we can get the information about the condition during the pre-independence period. Also we can let us know about how was the spirit of the freedom fighter, how was the condition before the pre-independence period, in which condition they survive. All these things we comes to know from all these inspirational songs or the patriotic songs. So now we are seeing the povada. So povada is a source for getting information about the historical event or the work of a person. So basically in the povadas there is the dramatic representation of any event or the any person's life history. So there are various povadas composed on the freedom struggle of 1857. 1857's revolt was the great revolt, where the actual fighting of the India's freedom struggle was started. So various povadas on this event of 1857's revolt were published. Also you will know about the various povadas on the Shivaji Maharaj also. These povadas were used to create motivation and spirit among the people. So which is the thing which is get we let us know from the povada, that is they motivate us and also they gives us the spirit to fight for the country. Apart from the freedom movement, the povadas were composed based on the work of Satyashodak Samaj for awakening among the oppressed classes and Samyukta Maharashtra movement and such other events. So apart from the event like 1857, there were the Satyashodak Samaj on which the povadas were published, because Satyashodak Samaj do the work for the oppressed classes. Oppressed classes means the lower caste peoples which gives the unjust treatment, जिनको एक अच्छी ट्रीटमेंट सोसाइटी में नहीं मिलती थी, ऐसे लोगों के लिए सत्यशोधक समाज काम करता था, जिनके ऊपर भी पोवाडेस बने थे. एंड ऑल्सो ऑन दी संयुक्त महाराष्ट्र मूवमेंट ऑन अदर इवेंट्स ऑल्सो. सो बेसिकली जो पोवाड़ा गाते हैं या जो पोवाड़ा लिखते हैं उनको शाहिर्स बोला जाता है. इफ़ यू हैव हर्ड द नेम ऑफ अन्ना भाऊ साठे, लोक शाहीर बाबा साहेब पुरंदरे. बेसिकली बाबा साहेब पुरंदरे शिवाजी महाराज के ऊपर ही पोवाड़ा लिखते हैं और गाते हैं. सो द मेन वर्क विच इज़ डन बाय द पोवाडास, दे हेल्प अस टू मोटिवेट एंड create the spirit among the people and the Povadas also published on the Satyashodak Samaj and the Samyukta Maharashtra movement. Now we are seeing the video, audio and audio visual sources. During the modern period, due to the development of technology, there was a development in the art, photography, recordings, films, etc. The obviously these photographs, records or the films can be used as the source of history. In the period of British age, in the period of modern Indian history, the technology was developed, so we can get the sources like photography, recording, films. So now we will see in the detail photographs, recording and the films in details in the next video. Thank you.